6 smart ways to lower your health insurance premiums without losing coverage. Health insurance premiums have surged in recent years, especially for senior citizens, due to increased health risks, frequent hospitalizations, and post COVID complications. But a higher premium doesn't always mean better protection. With a few strategic choices, you can reduce your costs without compromising on coverage. Here are 6 effective ways to keep your health insurance affordable while staying well protected. 1. Opt for a deductible. A deductible is the amount you pay out of pocket before your insurer covers the rest. Choosing a deductible of 5,000 rupees or 10,000 rupees can reduce your premium by 10 to 20%. To maintain robust coverage, pair this with a super top-up plan, which kicks in once your deductible is met, offering a cost-effective way to increase your sum insured. 2. Choose a super top-up plan. Super top-up plans activate once your total claims in a year exceed a set deductible. For example, with a 5 lakh rupee base policy and a 10 lakh rupee super top-up, a 7 lakh rupee claim would be split, 5 lakh rupees from the base policy and 2 lakh rupees from the top-up. These plans are significantly cheaper than increasing your base policy, making them a smart way to expand coverage without inflating premiums. 3. Leverage premium discounts. Insurers offer various discounts that can cut premiums by 10 to 20%. Consider long-term policies 2 to 3 years instead of annual renewals, family floater plans for multiple members, bundling policies motor, home, etc. with the same insurer, lifestyle discounts for non-smokers or those with healthy habits, cumulative bonuses for claim-free years which reduce renewal costs. 4. Maintain regular health checkups. Some insurers reward policyholders who undergo regular health screenings. Early detection helps avoid costly treatments, and wellness programs can offer substantial savings. For instance, Aditya Birla Health Insurance's Health Returns feature offers up to 100% premium back if you meet daily fitness goals, like walking 10,000 steps or burning 300 calories for 325 days a year, while maintaining a healthy heart score. 5. Consider porting your policy. Switching insurers at renewal can offer better coverage or lower premiums. Porting allows you to retain benefits like waiting periods for pre-existing conditions. Note, you must inform your current insurer at least 45 days before renewal and disclose any new illnesses diagnosed after the original policy was taken, as these may be considered pre-existing by the new insurer. 6. Opt for a lower room category. Room rent limits directly affect your premium. Since charges like doctor's fees and diagnostics are tied to room type, choosing a lower category can reduce claim amounts and in turn your premium. Always review your policy's default room settings to avoid unnecessary costs. Final thought: smart planning can help you strike the right balance between affordability and comprehensive health coverage. Review your policy regularly, stay informed about available options, and make choices that align with your health needs and financial goals.